Hello everyone, so the module called Product Approval will help user to create a product and it will need approval. In default, the product will be created in draft state. Product manager can review and approve it. It will go into approved state and will be visible into sales, purchase, manufacturing order and so on. First we go into settings. Over here in the configuration setting, you need to go into one of the manager whom you want to give the product manager access. So as you can see, I have enabled this field into this particular user and I have saved it up. So now let's go back and now log in as another user. And as my demo does not have any rights, let me create a product. So I will create a product as machine. So this will be the product and all the information. Let me just change this to storable and check this out. So as you can see, this product is in drafts. So now let's just check whether this is visible into sales or not. So I will select one and let's type machine over here. As you can see, the product is not available. So now let's quickly close this out and let's again log in as admin. So once you log in as admin, you will go into sales and into the product. You will see the created product machine. So here is the product. User can set the information. Let's say he want to set this as 100 and everything, and now as you can see, it is showing an approve button. So you can simply approve and this product will be created. Now admin have also the right to reset it to draft. So let's say if you want to reset it to draft to change anything, so he need to first change it to draft, and then user as well as this admin who have the right can change the details. So I want to make the cost price as 50 and now I want to save it and approve it. So now this product is approved. Let me go and check whether it is visible into sales order or not. So as you can see, this product is visible over here. So this is how you can create a product as user, but it needs to be get approved with the product manager. So if you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.